Okay. Uh, I finally, I finally uh, putting this up in the grain bin that I just made. Now this is the last, maybe last pail, last bucket, and because it took me like an hour and a half because I have to pour it bucket by bucket like this, and this is supposed to be, I'll show you a little bit later. This is supposed to be a how many 1179 1179 pounds, and on the grain bin that I made is it's already full because rice bran is twice the volume of regular grain. Let's say that's like corn. 100 pound of corn and 100 pound of rice bran is like, if the corn fits in one bag, the whew, the rice bran needs to be in 2 bags. So this is it. This is the last one, and I'll show you the how it looked like. Whew. Finally, I got done. How it looked like in the bin. So, okay, let me put this up here. Okay. See, that is the bin. It's really full. And well, what I'm thinking is in few days this gonna settle, going down, and right now it look like really full. But here is the I don't know if you can see it. Where is it? Can't see it. Right here. Oh, 1192. 1192 pounds. When I bought this is, what is this? No, this is I think this is the one when they put this rice bran in the super sack. It's September 9, 2024. See, it's rice bran right there. BS delivers. I don't know. It sounds to me bullshit, delivers, but their phone number is there. So anyway, that is the everything of my rice bran. See, it's right here. Now I have to spread it a little bit, and then once I spread it like that, I will close the lid. At least now I'm having a good space here again, because it's so hard to work when you have a tight space. I need that space because the uh, what do you call this? The generator that I need to. Where is it? Let me put it away. Okay. There's the generator that I'm going to use. This is 9,000 watts starting and 7,250 watts running. This generator can power up 3 houses because even it's 3 houses, not all of them are using the all the power at all at once. So the average is like maybe 1800 watts at a given time. So this generator is good enough for 3 houses. Now I I test it with uh, the mixer and it works. So the good thing is I can put everything in here in this barn, because the other barn, my complaint is I have to where's my shovel? I have to lift so many times the grains, and it's killing me. Day by day, I can feel my age. Sounds a little bit funny and stupid, but it's true. When you're aging, that's what gonna happen. You don't, it's not as strong. You are not as strong as before. That before, what I'm saying is like on my age, when I'm on my 30s, up to like 45, I don't care about anything. Okay, okay, all right. Now, right now, look, it's still a little bit higher, but in a few days, this will flatten up. So, anyway, that is the day that I made today. This is my day. This is my work for today. And this generator, I will work on it. And the other thing that I work is this scale. The scale, I'm playing with it right here. It's a little bit off. Uh-oh. Because, see, it's a little bit off. Because I weigh right now is like around 138 or 148 pounds. But right here, I weigh 150 pounds. But as I said, this is a little bit off. You'll see later on, because I know the thing is in here, but I need to find out where to go, right or left, to push the thing a little bit. Let me see. See, in 0 it should be in the center, but no. Right there is the 0. I don't know how many pounds is this, but that is the 0 right now. But it's a little bit off. I don't know how many pounds. As I said, later on I have another scale at home. Yeah, I'm going to see. I will weigh later at home and find out. $149. That shows there. 149. It's a little off, but I can play with it in this. There's a screw here that will balance it. So anyway, that's it for today, and about the rice bran, the generator, and this scale. I will look for it. That's it for now, guys, and I'll talk to you next time.